Hi everyone, my name is Megan Vaughn and I'm a Research Services Librarian for Tarver Library. And today I will be showing you how to search NoveList K-8 Plus, which is a database that gives book recommendations for different age groups. This database is great for education students and teachers who want to find new and diverse books to include in their curriculum. So to get to NoveList K-8, we're going to go to the library homepage, and that website is libraries.mercer.edu. When you navigate to that page, this is what you'll see. The first thing we need to do is click on Databases A through Z. When that page comes up, we will select the letter N and scroll down until we find NoveList K-8 Plus. Sometimes when you click on this link, it will ask you to log in. All you'll need are your Mercer credentials that you use to log into Canvas. So when this page pulls up, we see a couple of different things. First is a search bar that allows us to search for books, authors, and series. We also have some different books with buzz, curated list, story element titles, new series titles, and some browsing links. On the left-hand side, we'll see Discover Novelist, Curated List, Quick Links, and How Do I. We'll also see a dashboard where you can save projects and items, explore your recent activity, and create alerts for different searches that you have done. First thing we're going to do is we're going to search for a book. The book I have chosen to search for is The Hunger Games. So when I search that title, the first thing that comes up is this description of the book. We'll see the author, the year it came out, a cover, a brief description, some subjects within the book, the series that it's in, and a Goodreads rating. When we click on the Goodreads rating, that will take us to the Goodreads website, and we can find out some more information about the book and different reviews of what other people are saying about this title. When we go back to NoveList K-8, we'll also see on this main page that there are title read-alikes, author read-alikes, and series read-alikes. So that's something neat about NoveList K-8 Plus is that you have these here. We'll go over those in just a moment. We're going to click on the title, The Hunger Games, and we will see some more information about the book. Again, we have the series, the Goodreads rating. Additionally, we have the minimum and maximum grade level for this book, which is grades 7 through 12. The Lexile score, and the accelerated reader information. We'll also see that this book is meant for teens, its genre is in fiction, and that it's an award winner. Scrolling down the page just a bit, we'll get a more full-length description of the book. We'll get some read-alikes. These are titles that are similar to the book that you're looking at. So we're looking at The Hunger Games, so it's going to show us similar titles to that book. And these are things that students might enjoy reading as well. So if they enjoyed The Hunger Games, these are other books that they may enjoy. We'll also learn some more information about the tags with the subjects, the different awards that this book has won. We can learn more about the author, Suzanne Collins. We can look at some reviews that have been written about this book. And then we can get some additional information about the book itself. When we go back to the results page, we can also look at author read-alikes. So author read-alikes are similar to the title read-alikes, but this is if somebody enjoyed the writing style of Suzanne Collins. These are other authors that they may also enjoy. You'll also get a list of other books written by the author, because students may enjoy those as well. When we go back to the results page, we'll also see a series read-alikes. This is not available at the moment, but you can definitely check that out as well. Next, we're going to look at Discover Novelist. Under this tab, we have 4 different indexes. We have story elements, appeal factors, genre index, and themes. So I'm going to click on the genres index so we can explore that page. So what we're going to learn is some information about what a genre is, different genres that are broken down into lists. And as we scroll down the page, we can learn more about the different subgenres that are available for you to look through as well. Next, I'm going to click on Curated List. So the first thing I'm going to click on is All Curated Lists so we can see the amount that we have in NoveList Plus. Currently, the results come up to 93. And we can look at different lists that people have put together for NoveList K-8. I'm going to click on Fall. And here we'll learn more about the list that has been put together. So first we'll see who was contributed by, the age group that it's recommended for, a description of what the curated list is about, and then we'll see the books in this list. There are 15 titles in this list where we'll see, similar to when we're looking at the Hunger Games earlier, the same information there as well. This also includes some subjects that are included in the book, and then title read-alikes as well. When you click on the title read-alikes from here, you'll see a list of other books that are similar to Humpty's Great Fall. Students might enjoy this list because they will find other books that are similar to one they've already enjoyed. Now we're going to look at the quick links. So under quick links, we have articles, award winners, book club best bets, genre guides, and books in series. I'm going to click on award winners. So under here, we have different lists of awards that are given to different books. And I'm going to click on the Freeman's Book Award for Children's Literature. Similar to the curated list, it's going to tell you the age group that it's suggested for. It's going to let you know there's both fiction and nonfiction in this list. It's going to give you a description of the award and then the titles that have won by year. You can also click on the title where it will take you to the page similar when we looked at the Hunger Games with all more information about the book. This also includes the minimum maximum grade level and the Lexile score. There's a description of the book, more read-alikes, some tags about different subjects, information about the author, reviews, and additional information about the book itself. Next, we're going to look at How Do I? So this is similar to a frequently asked questions. So I'm going to look up how do I set up search alerts. When this page opens, we will see that there is a video that you can watch to learn how to set up a search alert. But then there's also a written out description on how to do those as well. So you can create a new search alert or manage the search alerts that you already have created. Next, I want to show you your dashboard that you have here on the left-hand side. In order to do that, I want to show you again by going back to the Hunger Games. And there are a couple of symbols over here that will be added to your dashboard. The first thing is the Save button. This will keep it in your Save tab. You can add to project, which you will need to sign in to do. You can also look at your recent activity and it'll show you the search results that you have looked through before. You can set up alerts, but again, you need to be signed in to do so. Finally, from this page on the left-hand side, you can access Mercer's Ask a Librarian. And it's going to take you to this page here. If you have any trouble or have any questions about accessing and using NoveList K-8 Plus, you're more than welcome to use the Ask a Librarian chat, request a consultation, or email us your questions. You can also call and we'll be able to help you through there. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.